Welcome to another episode of Tiny Garage. Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at this Morris Mini from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Snowstormers series, and this is number 2 of 5 of that series. This is a 2015 release. I'm not sure the original year of the casting, but it looks pretty cool. The card art is pretty sweet and it matches the vehicle great. If we take a closer look at the vehicle, you can see it's got this, I don't know if you can see it very well, but a really iridescent blue color, like a baby blue, powder blue. Some gray decals on the top and lots of race decals on the side and really unique white wheels. I haven't seen these. I think it's part of this Snowstormers series, but it looks really cool. So I think we're going to go ahead and open this up and get a closer look. Okay, we've opened our Morris Mini and we're going to take a look at this. So if we look at the side, you can see some of that great graphics, number 333 on the side, some race sponsors down here, and again those great white wheels. It's hard to see inside, but it's got open windows on the side and you can see inside the interior. Let's go ahead and turn to the front. The front is classic Mini, a nice inset grille, really cool little car, and it's got a really good hood scoop on the top. Again, the side, really nice graphics, and you can see the snow detail at the bottom. So you can take a closer look at that. Looks really cool. And you can see kind of inside there. And then the back. Very cool. I would have liked to see some paint or tampos on the back here, but you know, overall it's really, really good. It's a tiny car. The Mini was a very good car in rally racing in the 1960s, and this is the original Mini. Most people might know the new Mini Cooper. This is a Morris Mini, which is older but has Cooper style bonnet stripes on the front here. The Cooper was the race model or the GT model of the Mini line, and this is the Morris Mini. So let's take a look at a photo gallery of this cool Hot Wheels, and if you like this, please subscribe and leave us a like and a comment and let us know what other kind of vehicles you'd like to see in the future. Alright, see you in the next video.